Morning traders, welcome back. Good to see you. Today is for Monday the 17th of July, in case you don't know what day of the week it is. And as always, guys, we are going to look back at Friday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. So let's get started, guys. Let's start with Friday's ideas. So this was the first one. This was oil, and we were looking to buy this pair. All right. So why were we looking to buy it? Well, guys, we was in this range. Yeah, price was just, ranging here between these two levels. But eventually we had a break. We had a break of the range, but we also had a break of these highs here, and therefore a break out of this gray zone. Okay, a break of resistance. And we had super bullish daily candles. All right, so there was lots of reasons to start buying this pair. We did say it was a little bit overbought. Yeah, it's a little bit overbought. So judging by Friday's candle, this wants to retrace a little bit more. But if it does, back into here, then my bias is still to buy oil because of the structure. Okay, so let's see what happened on the lower time frames and see if we had an entry, guys. So our gray zones are our entry zones, all right? And we were looking for price to come down into this zone, which it did, okay? And we did get a bullish candle, this green candle. And normally this would be a bullish enough candle, but look at the candle before it, yeah? There are sellers in control of this market, not buyers, okay? So it was a strong bullish green candle, but not strong enough if we compare it to the previous candle, guys, all right? And also, it was sort of late Friday evening, and nobody really wants to enter trades just before the weekend, all right? But never had an entry there, okay? And like I say, guys, it looks like oil might want to retrace further, and then we could potentially have some good buying opportunities. So that was oil, guys. What was the next one? The next one was gold. You are gold. Sorry. Oh dear. Gold. And gold is just, let's start with the day chart. Okay. So as we know, guys, we're looking to buy this pair. All right. Because structure had changed. All right. As soon as we broke these highs through here, yeah, we were in an uptrend. Okay, and we were looking for buys. I also like the fact, we've broken through the moving average 20. So we were looking to buy back up to this level here. All right. So again, that was the trade idea. The day chart gives me my direction. And then I'm looking, on the H4 or the H1, yeah, to enter. And again, guys, it's just this box of indecision. Price never left it. All right. So, as we discussed on Friday, guys, I was looking for a few things to happen. Even a break out of this box of indecision, we could start buying it. That never happened. Or we get a retrace back down to, this gray zone potentially, and then we start buying it. Neither of these happen. We need to see a breakout of this box of indecision, one way or the other. If it breaks down, great, we get a bit of value. We could still potentially enter here. Or if it breaks up, breaks out of this box to the upside, we could start buying it here as well. All right, but never hasn't left this box, guys. And I'm not... This price action, just avoid. If you're seeing a box of indecision like this, just stay out, wait for the market to make up its mind. Yeah, we need to see buyers take control or sellers. Okay, guys, so that was gold. Yeah, until we leave this box of indecision, we're not trading this. What was the next one, guys? US dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, so if we start with the day chart, yeah, we were looking to short this pair. All right. Why were we looking to short it? Well, we were in a downtrend. Yeah, then we was in an uptrend. Okay. And then price broke down. Yeah, once we get this candle here that breaks this low and even these lows. Yeah, we were in a downtrend and we had bearish candles. We were just trying to follow this momentum down. But again, guys, you know, the market had other ideas. If we drop down to the H1 now, because this is usually my entry time frame, guys. And those who have been on my channel for a while now know that I like to be with H1 structure as well. Okay, so if we follow the H1 structure down, okay, yeah, it started to break and build up. Okay, and I also like to be below the moving average 20. Okay, so, you know, again, we were in one of our gray zones. Yeah, this was our first gray zone. This was our second gray zone. But at this stage, you know, we saw this candle, but again, it's not bearish enough. Yeah, look at the candle before it. Yeah, buyers are in control here. Okay, and we'd broken H1 structure, and, you know, price was bouncing off that moving average 20 as well. All right, so these are the things you need to be aware of, guys. We can't just jump into trades. You know, I plot these levels like this gray zone here. Yeah, we can't just start shorting here. Yeah, or if price gets up to this gray zone, we can't just start shorting here. Yeah, we need to see certain things happen. We need to see a bearish candle that tells us sellers are in control, or even a breakdown in structure. So, for example, here, guys, we're seeing a break up in structure. Yeah, we're seeing the trend change to the upside. Okay, but once we're at this level, if we get a breakdown in structure, yeah, on the H1, then again, we could potentially start shorting. All right, so these are the things I look for to enter, guys, as confluence for my entry. Okay, so US dollar, Canadian dollar, for those reasons, was difficult to enter, guys. Yeah, we never had a candle that was bearish enough. Yeah, so guys, yeah, those were the trade ideas from Friday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap, then come join us, yeah? Everyone, right now, please subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and everyone, also, please smash the like button right now. It helps support the channel. Thank you very much. So, guys, before I look at our trade ideas for today, let me just mention a few cool things our channel does. So, first of all, guys, we've got a free Discord channel. Okay, we've got traders in there sharing their knowledge, their trade ideas. We've got indicators, trading psychology, useful links, loads of cool things, guys. So come join the free Discord. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, we've got VIP Discord. You do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day. You can ask me questions. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. You also have 2 other expert traders sharing their ideas as well. I give you exclusive content every week. Okay. You also have access to a performance coach. So if you're interested in that, the link is in the video description. Next, guys, we've got a mentorship program. So if you would like to be coached one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you all the information about the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to be a Simply Forex member, then now you can, guys. You can get Simply Forex membership. It's for as little as under $2 a month, but you get some cool perks for becoming a member and it supports the channel. Again, the information is in the video description. And finally, guys, don't forget our live streams every day, Monday to Thursday, 8 a.m. New York EST. Come join us and give me your questions. I will answer all of them. Hopefully all of them. All right, guys. So, yeah, let's focus on today's trades now then. So trades for Monday, the 17th of July. The first one is this, guys. It is Aussie dollar against the New Zealand dollar. Okay. And as you can see, guys, price is in a downtrend. Okay. Yeah. So clearly in a downtrend, you don't need to be Warren Buffett to see that. Yeah, lower highs, lower lows. Okay, we're in a downtrend. If I zoom in now, you can also see that this candle on Friday, this daily candle, broke these lows. Yeah, and for a downtrend, that is what we like to see. We like to keep seeing the lows keep getting broken. All right, so yeah, and the candle's very bearish. So all we're trying to do, guys, is come down to potentially one of these blue lines, which are my targets. Okay, so this 0700 psychological level or this 650 psychological level. Okay, so we're looking to short Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. If we drop down to the H1 now, we're going to look at some potential entries where we can enter the trade. So you can see, you know, even on the H1, like I say, guys, I like to be with H1 structure, yeah, or at least, you know, H4 structure. Yeah, we like to be with that. So we're clearly in a downtrend, yeah, and we just need price to retrace to an area of value. If we don't get a retrace, guys, you know, most of the time won't take the trade. I need a retrace because a retrace equals value. You're getting in at a better price. Yeah, if I sell you a car and I say, would you like to pay £20,000 or £17,000? You would be £17,000. Yeah, trading's no different. You want to get in at the best price. Okay, if the trade flies off and we miss it, so be it. FOMO, I don't care about FOMO. There's always a trade around the corner. So we want to see a retrace. Yeah, this gray zone, I like the look of. Yeah, you can see price has reacted historically here. And again, it could be a great level for us to look for shorts. Once price hits this level, I want to see a bearish reaction. Okay, when I say bearish reaction, I mean, you know, a bearish H1 or even H4 candle, you know, and even sometimes I look for M15 structure breakdown as well as added confirmation. Once we get these things, guys, we can then start shorting this pair back down to those targets that I showed you earlier. Price could, you can see we've got this downward channel, yeah. Price could retrace all the way back up to here, guys. Okay. Again, what we want to see is a bearish reaction. Once we get that, we can start entering this trade and take price lower. I would probably take some profit here. Yeah, I usually take 80% profit and then leave some profit to run. But you could have 70-30, 60-40, you know, play about with that idea. Okay, so Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, we're looking to short. The next trade idea is this, guys, is euro against the Aussie dollar. Okay, we start with the day chart. Yeah, we are looking to buy this pair. Why are we looking to buy it? Let me explain. So we are in an uptrend. Yeah, it breaks these highs. We do have higher highs, higher lows. Doesn't make a higher high. Yeah, which is slightly concerning. But it comes back down to this support level, and then we've had a really bullish reaction. So even if it completes this range, yeah, maybe it's the start of a range here. Okay, so yeah, we're in an uptrend stroke range, all right? And we've also got this super bullish candle, guys. Yeah, it's bounced off of these last lows here. Super bullish. The idea is just to take price back up to the top of this range. And my target is this 6475. It might go up further, guys, into this gray zone. Yeah, it might. But, you know, you're going to see sellers in here. So I don't really want to be about when the sellers come into play. Okay, simple as that. So yeah, we're looking to buy this pair. If we drop down to the H1, actually, if we drop down to the H4, so you can see this level. So you can see there's a nice level through here, guys. Price has reacted here before. Now it's broken through this level. We could get a retrace and look to take price back up. Okay. So guys, yeah, a couple of things. Yeah, I'm looking for price to retrace into here. I'm looking for a bullish reaction, and coincide with the moving average 20. This could be a nice entry. We get a bullish reaction, we can start taking price back up to here. If price breaks this level, then chances are it's going to make its way back down to these lows. Okay, so then I'm not interested. Yeah, I need to see a reaction at this level. Okay, so yeah, if we do, we'll start buying it. All right, so that's Euro Aussie dollar. We're looking to buy that. The next trade idea is this, guys, Euro yen. The yen pairs of, some of them are breaking down and look quite bearish. Others, look quite bullish. And Euro yen is one such pair. If we actually, let's look at the weekly chart as well, guys, because, this weekly candle, gives us the confidence to take this higher. We're clearly in a weekly uptrend. Yeah. And then look, we've had this weekly candle that, says we can at least get back up to these highs. All right. If we drop down to the day chart now, it's also reflected on these bullish candles that we've had for the last couple of days. Okay. So yeah, we're looking to buy Euro yen. It's difficult to pinpoint a last low. Maybe this area here was the last low. Yeah, this area here. Because, as we've come up, because it's trending so hard, it's difficult to find the last low. We could argue that was the last low. Okay. And price is finding some support there. Okay. And yeah, we've got these bullish candles. So the idea is just to come back up to one of these higher time frame targets. If we drop down to the H4 now, again, the H4 highlights this gray zone better. So you can see we've got this gray zone through here where price has reacted many times. And that's all I'm looking for, guys, in terms of a gray zone. I'm looking for price to react historically many times at that area. Okay. So what do we want to see? Yeah, we want to see price retrace into this gray zone. Yeah, we want to see a bullish reaction. Again, the moving average 20 might catch up a little bit at this point. So we get a bit of double support, if you like. Yeah, we get a bullish reaction and then we can start, taking this higher. Again, I usually take a bit of profit at these highs. Yeah, because chances are price could react here. So I'll take a bit of profit and then let the rest run. Okay, guys. So yeah, we got one more trade idea, actually, guys. Before I give you my last trade idea, if I could ask everyone, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel right now. And if I could also ask everyone to please smash that like button, guys. Smash that like button right now. Really helps support the channel. And don't forget all the cool things I mentioned earlier, guys. We've got the free Discord. We've got the VIP Discord. We've got the Simply Forex membership. We've got the mentorship program. And we've got our live streams every day. Yeah, all this information is in the video description. Check it out. My last trade for today, this is a bit of a swing trade, guys. Yeah, it's a bit of a weekly play. So if we go to the weekly chart, yeah, you can see on US dollar, Japanese yen, on the weekly chart, I really like this gray zone through here. Yeah, it's reacted here, 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 here. You get the idea here. And it's currently reacting here. All right, this is a really important level for the US dollar, Japanese yen. It might come down a little bit further just to touch this moving average 20. It might, okay, but just this whole area as a level to look for buys, potentially back up to here or even here. Okay, so this would be a long-term trade, guys. So yeah, I really like this for a swing trade. If we look at the day chart, yeah, you can also see we've had that reaction at that level. Yeah, we've had a nice bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. Okay, but again, I just won't enter on this pattern. on this candlestick pattern. I need more confirmation. So if we drop down to the H4 chart now, you can see there's this level here. Let me really zoom in. So we are in a H4 downtrend, okay? And price keeps reacting at these highs. So what I really need to see, guys, here is a break of this level, bit of a retest. You know, we could potentially enter here, put your stop below here, and look to take price higher. But please bear in mind, guys, yeah, this is a swing trade. Yeah, it's not an intraday trade like I normally trade. All right, so yeah, those are my trade ideas for today, guys. Let's take a look at the news now. So news, guys, for Monday, the 17th of July. So news for Monday, guys. Yeah, so the only important news is this, guys. The Chinese news overnight. We got the GDP coming out of China and industrial production. And this can really affect the Aussie dollar, guys, because the Aussie dollar has close, trading relations with China. So, this could impact Aussie dollar pairs. And then after that, guys, as you can see, there's no other news for us to worry about. So you are free to trade. All right, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please smash that like button, subscribe, tell your friends. Don't forget to join us for the live stream and have a great trading day. See you later, guys.